Hello, my lovely people. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Um, so today's video is going to be about some of my skincare favorites. So we all pay a lot of money for skincare. Skincare is a little costly, but when it is not functional or when it is not performing well, our heart, at least for me, my heart breaks, because we pay a lot of money, we pay our hard earned money to it, but if it doesn't perform well, or if it damages our skin, that is more damaging. you know uh, Sometimes it takes months, sometimes it takes weeks, sometimes it takes months to repair our skin if it goes wrong. So today is some I have explored so many products, and finally I've come to conclusion what really works best and what really suits the sensitive skin. I have really sensitive skin. When I go out in the sun, it just it starts burning. When I apply something, when I go through some facial, it just breaks out. I have really bad sensitive skin. Something which worked for my skin, which felt very calming on my skin. So I'm going to show you some of those products. So yes, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new video updates. So for now, let's get started. So the first product I'll be talking about is a makeup remover. I have used cleansers, I have used micellar water, I have used the regular makeup removers, but I never felt so confident about my makeup completely off my face, because I could still feel the residues on my skin, which can be really dangerous and fatal for your skin. The next day you get up with some breakout on your skin, but I felt so confident with this product. This is Clinique Day Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This is my hero, literally. This doesn't have any smell. It looks like a regular the lip balm. It doesn't have any smell. It has a smell like that regular ointment kind of a smell, if I'm not wrong. So this looks like a doesn't have any color also. So but it works as promised. It retails for 890 rupees, but guys, it is worth every penny of it. You just need a very small amount of it, and you work on circular motions on your skin, and your eye makeup, your lip it may be liquid lipsticks, everything will be off like this. But yes, I can assure you 95% of the makeup will be off your face. And it is an amazing product. Even if you don't have your makeup on your skin also, I just feel like doing it in the night times. I have made a habit to use this during my night time and apply the moisturizer on top of it. It just cleanses your skin so well. You feel so confident that your skin is so clean, and you can sleep with peace. Yes, that's about the so it retails for 890 rupees, as I said. And it can last up to 6 months, if I'm not wrong. This is the smallest version of it. You get the bigger versions, but I don't like to buy very big size products, because I tend to get bored very easily with the products, with the fragrance, with everything. So I love to shift to the new products. So if I take a very big quantity, very huge quantity, which I don't I end up not using it sometimes. So this is for 30 ml product. You get yeah they for 890 rupees you get 30 ml of the product, which is an amazing buy for 6 to 7 months. So I'm showing you can have a closer look of the product. I think it's you can see it in a reverse direction. This is such It has a very cute packaging, very very decent packaging, not cute. It has a very decent packaging, very sturdy also. I think it's a glass or fiber, I guess. Inside this there is a protective lid on top of it, and the product is quite good, quite decent for the amount you pay. So the next product I'm going to talk about, after cleansing your skin, you have to moisturize your face, or you can use a toner as well. But I'm not a toner person. I don't use any toners because my skin is so dry. Sometimes I use rose waters. I literally don't have any proper skincare routine, guys. Literally, I'm literally scared. Um, Recently I have started using the skincare products because I just turned 31 and I thought I started getting fine lines, so I thought I should use something to the uh, at least to tighten my skin, because my skin started getting fine lines, started popping up, showing up on the skin. Moisturizer, I have used hell lot of moisturizers till now. You ask me, you name it, I have it. I I use hell lot of moisturizers. Some are good, some are bad. I had a very pleasant experience with some of the products. I had a really bad damaging experiences with some other products. But this is something really unique. Don't think I'm only showing you the same brand products, but I'm literally very impressed with the texture of this product, the calmness it gives me, the smoothness it gives me. It is I was little still skeptical about this product also. That's why I bought a smaller size of it. So I thought I should first try it and then I can buy the bigger one. This is Clinique Moisture Surge 72 Auto Replenishing Hydrator. This is very small quantity for whatever you pay, but it feels like heaven on your skin. It has that velvety texture, very smooth consistency. I've never seen this consistency with any other moisturizer. I have used Body Shop once. I have used many other products like Neutrogena. I have used many products, but I've never seen a consistency like this. This is such an amazing consistency. It has such a smooth consistency. It is a gel form. Usually gel moisturizers never works for my skin, but I just gave it a try. As I told you, I love to explore the products. This color, it's somewhat attractive peachish color, so that's what I thought I should buy. Looking at the cute color it has, so I thought I should give it a try. Then it arrived from Nykaa on time, and with the first usage, on your first use itself, you can feel it is something different. There is something which is different from other products. It is so amazing. Clinique just nailed it with this product. It is so calming. You can literally see the glow on your face once you apply. Everybody started asking me, what is that, your skin looks so youthful and radiant. I'm not exaggerating anything. That's what I felt after using this product. You just need even this product, you just need a very small amount of this and you're done. You just, very 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 little, very a pea size of it is enough for the whole face. My face is bigger if you take it into account, compared to the average average human face. My face is a little broader. I just need this much of a product and I'm done. So morning I have made I use this twice a day, once in the morning and once in the night. I use after morning, after my shower I use this. Night after after using that cleanser which I showed you, after using the Clinique take the day off, then I use this. This is working like wonders to me. I am so obsessed with this product. I don't think, I keep changing the products, but I don't think I will ever change my moisturizer again. So the next product I'm going to be talking about, the most ignored part of our face. We take care of our skin, we take care of everything possible in our skin, but we forget our under eyes. We forget to take care of our under eyes, especially if you are turning 30, 31. If you have entered your 30s, please make sure to pamper your under eyes as well. I have severe under eye circles, as you all know that, but I don't put any effort to change that because it is genetics. I know it got nothing, it any creams can just avoid it, or just lighten it, but it cannot completely eradicate my under eyes, because I have used many products and I have to accept the truth, it won't go off my face. So but what I can avoid is some fine lines, and I can really calm my under eyes. Since the lockdown I started, I thought I should, this was just lying in my wardrobe, in my in my this was just lying in my wardrobe alone, so I thought I should try it, I should use it, because I usually use it for my clients, I usually used to use it on my clients, but however the weddings was not taking place, so why not I use this product and pamper myself. So this came with a spatula. I have already shown this product in my in some old videos of mine. This is a Forest Essentials, this is Forest Essentials light hydrating Hydra eye gel. So this looks something like this. It has a golden lid on top of it. So since 2 months I have been using this, I almost finished this product. If you can see, initially I could not see any difference. All I could feel is something very light, very a calming gel on my under my eyes, that's it. But later, after using it for 2 months, I'm able to see the difference. Yes, definitely I can see the difference. I thought in the initial first 1 week, I thought I just wasted almost, it retails for 1050 rupees. I think I think I wasted the way I wasted 1000 bucks. Then later I realized, now I'm realizing, no, it was not a waste. It did actually its work. It did perform well on my skin. I can see my fine lines reducing very lightly, very slowly. It's working out. I can feel it. I can so this side my under eyes has become a little lighter compared to this side, but I don't know why. I have literally no idea why it is why it is performing only on one side, or why not on the other side. But it has lightened, or I don't know the reason. Is it because of this or something else? But it is lightening, and it is. The fine lines has reduced to some extent. I had fine lines here also. It has reduced. I used to use it all over my eyes, here, but make sure you are not using your eye gels. You don't put it inside your eyes. Nothing should be put inside your eyes. Please make sure of it. Please don't use anything. Don't use anything. Don't let anything enter your eyes. Okay. So this is from Forest Essential. It gives that extra luxury effect when you see the packaging. Even the box, it is almost I'm about to finish this in another 2 to 3 days. So after applying moisturizer, I make sure that I use this, because I just wanted to finish it off, because it was just lying in one corner. So I usually end up throwing the finally I usually end up not using the eye creams whenever I get it, because I am a person who will be judgmental in 1 or 2 days. If I don't like it, I don't use it. But this I made a point that I don't lose my patience, and I use it every day. But yes, for 1050, it is, I feel it's a little costly, but it's worth it. It's a worth product. So let me know what are your favorites for the under eyes, guys. Please comment in the comment section below. Let me try, because already it is getting over, so I want to try any new product. Welcome. So the next product I'll be showing is definitely not regarding the money. It is out of the subject, but it is out of the subject, but I really want to show you guys, whatever the products, whatever may be the products which I use it on my skin to remove my makeup, but I still never feel satisfied. I can assure you 95% of the product makeup will be off my skin, but yes, on my eyes I'm literally not confident about it, that everything is off my eyes, my mascara, everything. I still feel something has entered my face. entered my inside my eyes, I really feel that if something starts itching, I'll think it's because of the makeup, it's because of the mascara, or it is because of the eyeliner which I have used. So I found out a solution by myself. If you are a 90s or 80s kid, you must be knowing this. We had something called Madras eye at that time. Every one or the other person used to get Madras eye. I think it was during my 5th or 6th standard. Everybody, randomly got Madras eye. The eyes used to get swollen, and this was the only medicine we had to solve that problem. So this is a solution which I have made by myself. So this you get in all the medical shops. This just cleanses of your eye inside the eyes. It's just like a vitamin E tablet. Normally we just open this and use it on your face. You use it on the face. This is for the eyes. I'm not. If you have sensitive eyes, please make sure you consult your doctor before you put anything inside your eyes. But this works really well for me. During that time, everybody used to use this. Every medical shop had this. They used to sell this for 25 paisa. Now I think it is around 50 paisa. 1 rupee you get 2 of it. I was searching for it so much, and finally my mom got it for me from my mom bought this for me from some medical shops, from some random medical shop. It is such an amazing tube. So you can have a look at it. It looks like the normal vitamin E tablet, vitamin E capsules. This what I do whenever I apply makeup, or whenever especially the mascara. Guys, it is very important that your mascara, or especially the eye makeup, is completely off before you go to bed. Otherwise it can be very fatal, very dangerous to your eyes. I recently read in some article that a lady where the about a lady where the mascara went inside, and she has to undergo through a surgery to to get rid of the eye infection. So please don't get into such problem, guys. It is very important that you cleanse your eyes very well with it. When you're applying something, please make sure you remove everything before you go to bed. When you're especially for your eyes and lips, because that is a place where things enter to your body. It can enter your eyelids, it can enter your eyes. Anything can be really damaging, or if it is anything irreversible, it sounds really scary, right? So make sure you cleanse your eyes, everything well. So wait, how can I forget Biotic in the skincare range? I can't do that. Biotic is my favorite brand. I don't want to skip this product. I literally forgot about it because it was lying somewhere there. So I thought of, okay, now I'll show you this. This is Biotic Bio Berry Plumping Lip Balm. This retails for 175. Guys, this is such an amazing formula. This is a lip balm which has a slight tint. I was just before going to sleep, I started using this from 2 to 3 days. I have a slight pigmented lips. I have little black marks on my lips, but in 2 to 3 days I could feel the difference. It is such an amazing lip balm. Sorry for forgetting Biotic. Biotic has some amazing range which is very economical, as well as very reasonable, pocket friendly. So do give a try to Biotic. 175 is worth every penny. The product is too much actually for 175. It has a lot of product. You can check this out. You get Biotic is easily available in every supermarket nowadays. When I was small, we used to go to Commercial Street to buy Biotic, but now it is very easily available. So this is how it looks. This is Biotic Bio Berry Plumping Lip Balm. Yes. Well, so that's about today's video. So So I hope you found this video helpful. That was a lot of chit chat I had since a long time. So let me know your thoughts. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know about your thoughts in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a lot of other videos related to makeup and skincare. So make sure you have subscribed to my channel and don't miss any of my updates. So see you in the next video. Let me know what video you want to see from me. So until then, bye bye, take care.